this module, you are learning how to create surveys using Dynamics 365 Customer Voice to gather feedback from customers. This video will demonstrate how to get started with a blank project and create your first survey, requesting responses to a few simple questions to understand the satisfaction levels of the current support provided by an organization named Contoso. To begin, we click Get Started from the Customer Voice Home dashboard. We select a blank project template and then click Next. We are going to use the default location for this project, so we click on it to select and then click Create. The project has a new blank survey that we can customize. We add in a new survey title. Our first question will ask the respondent for their overall impression of the support experience by adding a rating question. The rating can be measured using a number, stars, or a smiley face. A choice question will let us know if the customer is happy with the resolution of their case, with a simple yes or no response. Next, we can add a Net Promoter Score question, asking if the customer would recommend Contoso to a friend or colleague. Finally, a text question with the long answer setting enabled will be used to ask for any comments or feedback. Once the survey is complete, we can preview the end result to make sure it's ready to be sent to Contoso's customers.